Hey guys, welcome back. So this is my 6th video. Actually, before I get into all of that, let me do a quick prayer because then I'm going to start eating. Okay, I'll explain in a second. Dear Lord, I want to thank you so much for this food that I'm about to receive. And please bless my family, my friends, and all the viewers watching. In Jesus' name I pray, amen. Okay, so I didn't plan on doing it at first, but then I saw 2 more videos last night, and everyone's doing the no utensils. And I'm doing Mahi Mahi, as I promised last week, with some yellow rice, butter and seasoning dipping sauce, some cucumbers and lemons, and I use this pepper paste, I think it's called. I can't really tell you what it's called because it's not in English, but I'm going to list it down below. My palate doesn't take spice. Everybody should know this by now. But this is really tasty, like seriously. So I'm going to list that down below. Let me get a bite in real quick. I got my water, mahi mahi, rice, cucumbers, lemons, butter sauce. Okay, so I actually baked these. These are really nice. Oh, and they're so strong, rich, you know, when you bake the lemons. Okay, put this here. So no utensils. I hope I don't forget. I just have a feeling I'm gonna reach for something. I'm gonna try my best. Ooh. Anybody out there like mahi mahi? A lot of people don't know what it is. It's dolphin. But when you say I'm eating dolphin, a lot of people presume it's, you know, flipper, but it's not. This shouldn't be too hard with this. Oh, wow. It's very, very good. So, I put a half a stick of butter, a tablespoon of the pepper sauce, a whole lemon, all seasoning, a little bit of cayenne pepper, and crushed garlic. That's pretty much what I'm eating it with today. So I know a lot of people did this challenge. Did I say no hands or no utensils? I don't remember, but it's no utensils. I guess, correct me if I'm wrong, I think Love started this, or she did it because someone else did it. I'm not sure. I think it was her. I'm not sure. They're really, really good. Whoa. I almost wiped my hand. Oh, my glass is going to look so bad. Ooh. Excuse me. Okay. So, I did want to take some time to thank everybody. I'm on my 2nd week, and I've gotten so much support. Either by other people that are starting out and people that are not just starting out. It's just been overwhelming. Very nice in a good way. I really truly appreciate it. I think more than a lot know, or some know, I'm not sure. This is going to be a little messy, so I apologize in advance. Rice is a little spicy. This is really good. I know. It just went everywhere. But I can't touch my shirt because I'm trying to shake the rice off. That's all right. These cucumbers. Whoa. But yes, I did want to take this time to thank so many people, you know. Gave me pointers, because I'm new at this. A lot of people been there, done that. Oops. And people don't have to take their time to help me, but they are. And it's nice. And I'm going to do the same thing for whoever needs it out there. I think I'm almost at 100 subscribers, which I find it totally exciting. I don't even know how I'm going to feel when I hit 1,000. I don't know how long it's going to take or how I'm going to feel, but the excitement brews. Oh boy. Rice definitely wasn't the best choice for this, but it is what it is. I'm just going to do it and be messy. I would clean off my shirt, but I don't want to get this on it, so it's just going to have to stay there. What else was I going to say? Oh yeah, so I want to give recognition to the people that subscribe to me that have other channels, you know, have their own channel. So every video that I put out, I'm listing, you know, under the comments, well, before the comments, I should say, or under info for the channel, I'm going to list people's YouTube channel, so you can go check them out and show them some support. It means the world. It really does. And you know, watching their channel, commenting, giving it a thumbs up, and if I haven't asked yet, please hit subscribe if you are compelled to do it now. It's right down there. And also, if you touch the bell and hit all, it'll show you whenever I upload. I usually upload Mondays, Wednesdays, and Fridays. And I'm thinking of doing breakfast on the weekends. It's something I've been thinking about, so I might do it. It sounds kind of fun. Excuse me. It's very, very, very delicious. If you have never tried mahi, it's a very firm, tasty fish. And it's not too fishy, do you know what I mean? Like, to me, salmon has a really strong taste. This is a very pleasant, soft taste. It's so, so good. I've had one of those days where I'm trying to get a lot done. Also, there's somebody. Oh, right. Okay, so my phone is recording me now. I don't have my camera up yet. That'll be on the next video. But I'll list her name below, her channel. And she did the Honey Boo Boo Spaghetti. She's an ASMR girl. Really nice. Does a really good job too on her videos. And she did it. And I said I should do it. She said do it. So I'm going to do it. I'll do that next week. And it's basically just ketchup and butter. I'm going to try it. She did it and she ate it, so it sounds good. Kind of. You know, being Hungarian, grew up with a lot of different foods. As we get older and stupider, not only our taste change, but we tend to notice more. So stuff that didn't bother me when I was a kid eating bothers me kind of now. But I used to eat like pig's feet and sauerkraut. Oh, I almost did it. But looking at it now, it doesn't look too appetizing, but I want to try it again. But I used to like suck the meat out of the knuckles. It was like the best part. My dad used to make it for us all the time when I was a kid. Let's see how long I could last without forgetting not to wipe my hands. You know, the only thing I think that makes any fish taste strong is they have like a bloodline that goes through the top, the middle, and I just take it off. And it literally takes that taste away. So they call it the bloodline, but I don't know if it's really blood. It's very good. I bake mine. It goes like 35 minutes at 425. I like my stuff well done, no matter what it is. I have rice in my hair. Oh my gosh, I almost did it again. Does anybody else absolutely just love water? Oh. So this paste is really good, you guys. I wasn't sure if I was going to be able to eat it, but it's definitely good. And lemon kind of takes fishy taste away too, I think. It just cuts them in my eye. So delicious. Is everybody ready for Halloween? Is it bad to say I want to scare kids this year when they come to the door? Past couple of years in my neighborhood, I have these like teenagers that come to the door, and they're pretty much just coming with a bag for candy. So maybe those that come, when they say trick or treat, I'll say trick. I apologize, excuse me. You know, if you don't open up the info underneath the title to see all those links that I'm going to paste every week, I usually do like 10 of them. You can look at my watched videos. I haven't hidden any of that. It's just there to see. So if you look at my watched videos, you can see a list of those people that I watch every day. And I mean every day. I have to take time out. Sorry. If you can hear that, that's my clock. I'm like sucking the juice out of the fish. This and the lemon is soaking into it. It's so good. I'm concentrating so hard on not putting my hand down to wipe it. You have no. That's the hardest part of the challenge, I think. I'm not kidding. This rice was a mistake. I wish it would stick together. I'm just gonna shake my face later. That's a lot of rice. That's for like 2 people. Ew. Whew, I'm getting full. There's oh no, I'm so sorry. Save a napkin with your fingers. I had to do that. With glasses, without. Somebody asked me the other day, and I even said this in my video, how do you just, like, how do you concentrate on the camera? And pretty much, I just pretend I have you there with me, which I really like. I think that's one of the coolest things, when you could sit down with friends and family and just talk and eat. It's just so nice, you know? I'm really getting full from the fish. This fish is very filling. The cucumber is really good. Being Hungarian, as I said before, we eat some cool stuff, different stuff. But also there's a dish that we take cucumber and slice it real thin, real thin. You put it in a bowl. You probably take like 5 cucumbers. Put it in a bowl like this, and then pour vinegar in it. Is it vinegar? Sorry, Bob. I think it's vinegar. I'm gonna have to check now. And then paprika, which everybody calls paprika, which is fine, but we say paprika. And you just let it marinate into the cucumbers, the thin slices. Now, some people do it paper thin, which is really good because then every bite is just so delectable. I might make it one day and show you guys. It's really good. Just thin, as thin as you can get sliced, or, you know, on a slicer. And then about a cup of vinegar, and you could drain it later, with some paprika all around it and a little bit of salt. And if somebody else knows what I'm talking about and it's not vinegar, forgive me. Oh gosh, I can't help it. This is so good. I know a lot of people that do the Atkins live off of Mahi. I wanted so bad just to pick up a napkin and wipe my face. Oh my gosh. I'll try some more of this rice. Mahi's filling me up really fast. 3 pieces is a lot. Sorry if it looks bad, guys. There's no way of getting around it. So what do you guys hand out for Halloween? I wish I could hand out like the big full-size candy bars, because a lot of people do. When I was a kid, my favorite thing to get was bags of chips. Isn't that funny? Well, I think I put a good dent in this because I am full. So, thank you so much for coming. And if you stayed this long, I'm not mad if you didn't. But if you did, put like a yellow heart or a red heart next to your name, or next to your comment. Just curious. I'm gonna go take a shower after this. I should have dipped it in this the whole time. So good. And there's a lot of garlic in here. Oh, Missions Barbecue. I saw B-Love do Missions Barbecue today, and I about licked my phone. It looked so good. There's one about 20 miles from here, and I'm going to do it in about 2 weeks. I'm also going to do a place called the Steak Shop in Pompano. That's going to happen Monday or Wednesday. Probably Wednesday. I don't know. One more bite. Sorry for the slop, guys, but I wanted to do the challenge. That said, I think I'm going to have my husband just hose me down. Thank you so much for coming and enjoying this with me. I hope you next time grab a bite to eat. Monday, Wednesdays, and Fridays, I try to upload as soon as possible when I'm done editing, and that's about it. I hope you guys have an amazing weekend. It's Friday today. I screwed that up last time, didn't I? I was saying Monday for some reason. I don't know why. Anyways, hope you have a safe weekend. If you're in Florida with me, stay away from being outside, because there's going to be a lot of more storms coming with a lot of lightning. And as we know, it's very dangerous. I pray for those out there that are not as fortunate as us and that are suffering right now because of certain things going on. Please contact me whenever you want to. It doesn't have to be about mukbang. And it's peaceandeats@gmail.com, and I list that with my info. All right, guys, have an amazing weekend. Stay safe, and God bless you all.